here I am checking in again with my 1965 172F model after doing some new work on it. If you remember back, the interior on it was pretty sad, and here's some video of the interior and what it looks like. It had some work done on it where I took and painted the vinyl, and it looked okay, but I since ordered a new vinyl, not a new vinyl interior, a new leather interior from Airtex. And Airtex sent that. I ordered it in March. It took till August to get it, and then it took me another couple of months to get it in. So here's some video of what it looks like. It looks really good. And then I'll be also doing some video of what it was to install it. But here, enjoy what this beautiful interior looks like.